Disclaimer: this video was filmed on March 1st, 2020. I am at home safe. Although the stay-at-home order is lifted, I highly suggest canceling any non-essential traveling and staying at home until the situation calms down and doctors find a cure, as we can help our society during very tough times like this. Enjoy the trip report. Hello everyone, welcome back to OrlandoAviation Productions. Welcome to another trip report. It's around 8 a.m. here at Phoenix Sky Harbor International Airport, and I am currently on my way back to Orlando, Florida, on American Airlines' brand new A321neo. Currently, I am on my way to Terminal 4 to get to the plane. About the check-in process, it was nice and quick, and it got the job done. And about security here, took about 10 minutes to get through, which is really good. Phoenix also has lots of stores and restaurants as well, so the airport experience there is really good. And here we are inside the plane. The American Airlines A321neo is registered November 408 Alpha November, a 9.6-month-old A321neo when I flew it. It can fit out to 196 passengers with 20 first-class seats in a 2-2 configuration, 47 seats in main cabin extra, and 129 main cabin seats, both of which are in a 3-3 configuration. My seat is 32A in main cabin. There is no personal entertainment screens, but there is Wi-Fi, but you will have to pay for it. My seat, 32A, features 30 inches of pitch and 18 inches of width, and has a USB port and also features stands for your personal electronic devices.
Individual reading light controls are overhead. Thank you for your attention. Enjoy your flight.
Flight attendants, prepare for takeoff.
We are holding short and about to take off from runway 07 left. Enjoy.
From all of us at American Airlines, thank you for flying with us today. A special welcome to Advantage of One World members. If you are not an Advantage member, you can sign up at aa.com, earn miles for today's flight, and continue earning miles with our retail and travel partners. Our Advantage Aviator Red World Elite MasterCard is another great way to earn miles for everyday purchases and enjoy benefits.
It was my mistake for filming in the portrait format. Nevertheless, let's see what you get. First, you get a safety card, a magazine, and an IFE instruction card. Finally, let's rate this aircraft. I honestly like the aircraft and the engines are quieter than the original A321, but everything else to me feels exactly the same. Legroom is only a little bit better, giving that an 8 out of 10. Service was excellent, 10 out of 10. Entertainment is a bummer because you have to pay for it, 6 out of 10. Ground crew and efficiency was decent, 7 out of 10. Seat comfort is good, but JetBlue and Delta are clearly just better, 8 out of 10. And the value for money in my book would be an 8.5 out of 10, meaning it's a good airline to fly with, but it's not the best. If you don't mind the drawbacks, I would recommend American Airlines to you.
Like tablets and cell phones. When you open the overhead compartment,
Anyways, the A321neo was worth the hype. Don't forget to stay tuned for more trip reports. Don't forget to click that like button, hit that subscribe button, stay safe, and have a wonderful day.